everybody, welcome to Tips from Stella, and we shall begin our workout straight away with high knee lifts. This is our warm-up. We are doing a full workout to help get rid of those love handles. Some people call them spare tires, whatever you do call them. One important tip in getting rid of love handles is to throw away all your low cut fitting clothing and invest in high waist fitting clothing, be it pants, be it underpants, be it skirts. Clothing really plays a big role in determining fat distribution of our bodies. So just continue warming, feeling your heart rate going up, keep breathing, pull your abs towards the spine, and we are going to be following this up with 30 seconds of double jacks. So just give me one more side and we shall begin with double jacks. This is still part of our warm-up, but also cardio for our workout. We can't spot reduce fat, and that is why cardio is very important, and that is why I'm doing enough cardio for this workout. Just keep going, keep breathing. I hope you are hydrated. We are going to follow this up with jump twist in 3, 2, 1. Keep breathing, ups towards the spine. Just twist to the side and back, to the side and back. Feeling your heart rate going up. I bet you are sweating, beginning to sweat already. And we are going to be beginning the warm-up just one more time, beginning with those high knee lifts. Keep breathing, 30 seconds of these, abs towards the spine. I can see the sun is out through my door. Having sunshine during this time of the year is really something we look up to. So just keep giving me the high knees up towards the spine. Keep breathing. Moving on to double jacks. Feeling good about yourself. And as you can see, this is also a good move that helps to work on your sides. And we're going to be heading on to jump twist just about now. Still on that warm up, doubling as cardio as well. Keep going. Abs pulled towards the spine. You're doing awesome. Keep going. And we are going to follow this up with some side stretches, catching your breath and preparing for our next exercise, and that is going to be standing side leg lift. So just give me one more per side and get in position. We shall begin with the right leg, and we are focusing on 10 per side. You can do as many as you want, of course. And the other side, lift and back, pull those abs towards the spine. Very good move for the side abdominals, and back, and back. Just give me 2 more, and back, and relax it out. Moving on to the wood chopper squat. So we are going to squat and chop, squat and chop, squat and chop, squat and chop. Focusing on 10 per side. You can also use a dumbbell If you want it more challenging, just give me one more. And the other side. Squat and chop. Squat and chop. Squat and chop. Feeling your right side working and those muscles stretching out. Squat and chop. Squat and chop. Make sure that your knees don't go past your toes. Squat and chop. Just give me 2 more. Squat and chop. Squat and chop. Relax it out. You want to stretch out your side, beginning with the right side, and you can use this time to take a water break as well. Catch your breath. We are going to be holding each side for just about 15 seconds, feeling that gentle stretch on your side. Hold it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and come down. And the other side is also a very good stretch in working off that fat we don't want right there. Just keep holding this, keep breathing, and prepare your mats. We are going to be meeting down on the mat, so just come down slowly, grab your mats and catch you on the mat. And down on the mat, we are going to begin with side hip dips. So just get into position, into a side plank position. You want to reach out with one leg. We are going to be focusing on 10 per side. And you want to begin raising off the ground and back up towards the spine. Pull yourself to as high as you can and back up and back up and back. Pull in those ups towards the spine, especially as you come up and back and back. Keep breathing and back and back. Just give me 2 more. Up and back. 1 more. Up and back. And next you want to raise up and hold it right there. Make sure that you are stable enough. We are going to be holding these for 30 seconds. Pull your abs towards the spine. Keep breathing, feeling those muscles tightening up, especially on your right side, especially those left handles burning off and tightening away. So just keep holding this. If you feel it's so challenging, it's okay, hold as long as you can. And I'm gonna keep holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get down and sit up and stretch out that side, feeling that good feeling. And heading on to the other side, just begin with 1 and 2. Keep breathing. And 3 and 4, feeling good about yourself. And 5 and 6. Keep going, you're doing amazing. Just give me 2 more and 1 more. And next you want to get up and hold it right there. Make sure that you are comfortable enough, and we are tightening up the sides. We are burning off that fat that we don't want over here. Just feel your muscles tightening. I really feel it over there. Just continue holding. You're doing an amazing job. Keep going. You are doing great. Just continue holding for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Get down slowly, get up and stretch it out for 1, 2, 3. And we want to get down onto our backs. We are going to begin with bicycles, and we are going to be focusing on 10 per side. That is a total of 20. So pull your abs towards the spine, making sure that you have a flat back, and you want to squeeze your abs with your hands if you can. Bring your legs up, and we are going to begin with 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Push onto your abs so that they don't bulge out. Keep going. Just give me 1 more per side and relax it out. You want to hug out your knees, for just about 10 seconds and relax it out. Breathe in, breathe out, because we are going to be moving on to the next exercise, and you want to hold it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Catch your breath and roll onto your side into the plank position. We are going to begin moving the knees towards the elbows, so just hold it right there, focusing on 10 per side, and we shall begin with 1 and 2 and 3. Keep breathing, holding all the muscles tightly. Very good. Move over here. Just give me 2 more. And 1 more. Bringing your knees to your hand as close as possible. And we want to move on to the other side. I'll turn around just to show you clearly. So we shall begin with 1 and 2. Tighten up those muscles, especially the ab muscles. Pull them in as much as you can and keep going. Just give me 2 more and 1 more, and you want to get down and stretch it out in a child's pose for just about 10 seconds and catch your breath and breathe in, breathe out, feeling good about yourselves, just preparing for that next exercise, and that is going to be the Russian twist. Just keep holding this right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get up. You want to get into position for the Russian twist. Pull your arms towards the spine, and we shall begin from one side to another. Make sure that you're pulling yourself back, and we are going to be doing this for 30 good seconds. If you want it even more challenging, raise those legs and you can hold a dumbbell from side to side while you're doing it. There goes the sunshine. 1 more time. Just keep going, feeling that twist in your entire left and right side as you twist. Keep twisting, keep going for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. And we want to get down to stretch with the final stretching. And coming to the end of this workout, we are going to begin out with the bridge. So just pull your abs towards the spine, bring your arms onto the mat, pressing into it, and raise your torso off the ground. We are going to be holding this for 30 good seconds. Yeah, this is a very good stretch to close our workout, but it's also actually very good for those abs, pulling those abs towards the spine. Very good move for the glutes as well. I guess you can feel your butt muscles tightening up, and you want to keep holding this for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well done. Come down and get up. We want to sit up and stretch out those sides, beginning with the right side. Just stretch it out and just hold it right there. We want to hold this for 20 seconds per side. Pull your abs towards the spine. Keep breathing and stretch out your hand to as far as you can. Stretching always feels good. The best part of all exercises that I do all the time. And just keep holding it right there for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and head onto the other side. Stretch it out, feeling your entire left side stretching out and feeling all those muscles stretching out as well. Keep stretching for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and get down. And you want to breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and breathe out. 1 more time. Breathe in and breathe out. Coming to the end of our workout. A high five if you made it this far. Thank you very much for joining me. I suggest that you do this exercise consistently for about 2 to 3 weeks, alternating it with cardio. That means today you do this workout, the next day you do any cardio that will get you sweating. It doesn't matter, whatever you choose: jump rope, running, walking, dancing, running on the treadmill. And in 3 weeks or 2 weeks, get back to me and tell me if you really still see those love handles. And well, that is just about it for today. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and leave me a comment if you have any questions or something to tell me. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Don't forget to connect up with me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest, because I do share a lot of wellness and useful tips over there too. It means a lot to me when you get to join my family on here. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button, hit the bell button, so that every time I upload a new video you receive notifications. Don't forget to check out my other videos as well. See you in the next video, and don't forget to love yourself first. Bye bye.